Hey guys, and welcome back to another brand new episode of EP Creator. Today in this video you're going to know about the Sound of Magic Korean drama cast real life partners. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's begin to our topic. Number 1. His full name is Chang Wook. Marital status: he is unmarried. His girlfriend name is Nam Ji Hyun. Number 2. Her full name is Choi Sung Yeon. Marital status: she is unmarried. Affairs and boyfriend: he is currently single. Number 3. His full name is Hwang and Yeop. Marital status: he is unmarried. His rumored girlfriend name is Moon Ga Young. Number 4. Her full name is Oh So Hyun. Marital status: she is unmarried. Affairs and boyfriend: she is currently single. Thanks for watching, and for more latest updates and videos, subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon.